awareness skill book. Everyone, get your awareness skill book and open page number 56. Your awareness skill book and open page number 56 in it. So here on page number 56, there's a very simple activity. You have to tick the correct community helper. आपको पिक्चर देखना है, look at the picture, find out the problem and then tick the correct community helper whom you want to call during this situation. Okay, so the first picture is, again I'm repeating, it's awareness skill book, page number 56. Awareness skill book, page number 56. Now look at the picture. What is this? What is happening here? देखो यहाँ पर एक टैप दे रखा है जिसमें से पानी बह रहा है. तो एट दिस सिचुएशन whom you call, आप किसे बुलाएंगे नल को ठीक करने के लिए? गार्डनर और प्लम्बर. whom you call? गार्डनर मतलब जो गार्डन में काम करता है, एंड प्लम्बर जो नल ये सब ठीक करता है. तो whom do we call? We call plumber. So tick here in front of the plumber. Then what is this? The boy is sick here. यहाँ पर जो boy दे रखा है वो बीमार है ना? तो at this situation whom do you call? A doctor or a tailor? किसे बुलाएंगे जब हम बीमार होंगे तो? Whom we call? Doctor or tailor? Obviously we call a doctor. So tick in front of the doctor. And the last picture is the dog is sick here. यहाँ पर dog बीमार है. तो जब dog बीमार होता है या कोई भी animal बीमार होता है तो हम किसे बुलाएंगे? Veterinarian doctor या barber? We call veterinarian doctor. Okay? जो animals के जो doctors होते हैं, they are different from ours. हमारे doctors अलग होते हैं, animals के doctors अलग होते हैं. तो animal के doctors को veterinarian कहते हैं. ठीक है? So we call vet doctor in case of when the animal gets sick. Veterinarian. Okay? All right? Chalo. Done? Completed? No need to show me. Done? All right. Very nice. Very good. Chalo. Bachcho, all right. Okay, okay. After completing this, now you everyone stand up for the rhyme. Everyone stand up for the rhyme. The title of the rhyme is Char Naukar. The rhyme is in your rhyme book on page number 1616. Am I audible to you, everyone? Am I audible? Am I audible to you? Kindly write in the chat box. All right, okay. Chalo, bachcho, children stand up for the rhyme. The title of the Hindi rhyme is Char Naukar. Chalo, let's start. You all have to sing. मेरे पास है 4 नौकर. Come on, start. मेरे पास है 4 नौकर, हरदम रहते हैं तैयार. 2 तो है ये मेरे हाथ, देते मेरा हरदम साथ. 2 ही है ये मेरे पैर, मुझे कराते हर दिन सैर. ना पीते हैं ना खाते हैं, जहां कहूं मैं ले जाते हैं। Come on again बच्चों, everyone. Come on, one more time. मेरे पास है 4 नौकर. Say everyone, say it together. हरदम रहते हैं तैयार. 2 तो है ये मेरे हाथ. देते मेरा हरदम साथ. Then 2 ही है ये मेरे पैर. मुझे कराते हर दिन सैर. ना पीते हैं ना खाते हैं. जहां कहूं मैं ले जाते हैं. Very nice, very good, kiddos. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. All right, very nice, very good. Chalo. Now we'll move further. Now get your maths copy. We are going to write the counting after 130. Get your mathematics copy, and what you have to do, you have to write down today's date, 6/1/2022. 6/1/2022. Write down today's date, 6/1/2022. Today we are going to write the counting from 131 to 150. हम लोगों ने 130 तक करा था. In our previous class we had completed, है ना? So now we have to do after it. So बच्चों, first of all, before writing the counting, let's revise the previous as well. Then we'll move further. पहले हम पहले की counting पढ़ेंगे from 101 and then we'll move further. तो उस दिन मैम ने आपको बताया था, जैसे we had already learned the place values in LKG. That is T stands for tens and O stands for ones. तो मैम ने आपको बताया था जब भी 3 digit number होते हैं तो we have to write HTO. H stands for 100, T stands for 1, tens, and O stands for ones. H stands for 100, T stands for tens, and O stands for ones. Okay? चलो, let's revise. आपको ये नहीं लिखना है, ये सिर्फ हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. आप सबको बोलना है मैम के साथ. Come on. 101. This you don't have to write in the copy. This is just for revision. Speak everyone. 101. 102. 103. Then 104. Then 105. 106. Then 107. 108. 109. And after 109, 110. This is only for revision. You don't have to write it in the copy. Then after 110, 111, 112, 113. Speak everyone, speak. 114. Then 115. 116. 117. 118, then 119 and 120. Now after 120, what comes after 120? 20 के बाद क्या आएगा? 21. So 121. Read everyone, I'm looking at you. Say it. 122. 123. Then 124. 125. 126. 127. 128. 129. And after 129, 130. 130. Okay, so we had completed till here. Now, okay, chalo. Now we had already completed till here. Today we are going to write after 130. Now, bacho, now get your pencil and start writing. Again, I am repeating. H stands for 100. T stands for tens. And O stands for ones. Now, so we had completed till 130. So we have to write from 131. Speak, say and write. Say and write. सिर्फ लिखना ऐसे नहीं, हमको read भी करना है उसे. We have to read it first. Whatever you are writing in your copy, you have to read it first and then write in your copy. Okay, Saksham, take care of yourself. You can leave. 131. Come on, say and write. (132). Then 133. 134. Then 135. 136. Then after 136, 137. Now 138. Say and write. Read and write it. 139. And 140. 131. Sorry. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137, 138, 139, and 140. Now what comes after 140? 40 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 40? 41. So 141. Then 142. 143. 144. 145. Then 146. 147. 148. 149. And 150. 141. 142. 143. Then 144. 145. 146. 147. 148. 149 and 150. Community helpers. The title of our English rhyme is Community Helpers. Everyone stand up. Let's start. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach reading and writing too. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you are sick with cold and flu. Then, firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I help fight fire that might hurt you. The last one is officer, officer, what do you do? I help you stay safe in that all you do. Okay, chalo, one more time, then we'll end the class. Come on, start loudly. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach reading and writing too. Then, doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you are sick with cold and flu. Come on. Next, firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I help fight fire that might hurt you. Officer, officer, what do you do? I help you stay safe in all that you do. Okay, chalo, now we have to end the class, bacho. Okay, everyone. That's enough for today. See you in the next class. Bye. Take care. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Come again with your pretty faces and beautiful smiles tomorrow. And have a nice day. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye. Take care. Take care, bacho.